Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to insert arrow symbols in Excel or other symbols you can use in Word. In Word, how you can insert arrow symbols in the Word. So here you can see this is my Word file, and I'm going to show you how to insert arrows or other symbols in here. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go with the video. So here just go to the insert option. In insert option you have to click on symbols. You will see the symbol option here. If you don't find your symbol option, go to the developer option and just add the your insert tab, or in insert you can add symbol. Just click on it and go to the customize ribbons. In customize ribbons you will find here font option like or symbol option here. Okay, in S I have already added, so in my window you will not find, you will find from here. Just add symbols or just click on add and click OK, it will be added here. Now go to the symbols and go, you will find here arrows, or if you don't find, just click on symbols, more symbols, and click here and just come up and click on normal text. In normal text you will find arrows in down. Okay, there is a arrow, you can see there is a many arrow, you can see. If you want to find it only, if you want to find use, or if you want to use only arrows, you can just click on it in subset and find arrows from here. You can see, click on it, and here you can see only arrow symbols. Okay, just click on okay, so it will be taking arrow symbol in down. So there is a any other symbol you can use if you want. Okay, just click on insert and you can see the symbol has been, arrow symbol has been inserted here. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me, like, hit the like button and comment.